All that could be observed would be a higher or lower form or variation of the same thing. I'm going to underline that one. All that could be observed would be a higher or lower form or variation of the same thing. A higher vibration or a lower vibration of the same thing. In other words, if your consciousness is the only reality, it must also be the only substance. Consequently, what appears to you as circumstances, conditions, and even material objects are really only products of your own consciousness. Nature, then, as a thing or a complex of things external to your mind, must be rejected. Nature, your environment, your circumstances are not separate from you. You and your environment cannot be regarded as existing separately. You and your world are one. Interesting one. Hope some of you got some good notes written down. It happens all the time. I don't know if everyone's fully, I hope you're fully aware of you seeing things in your world. It's being very calm and very relaxed. You see things happening all the time. When I was in Huntington Beach with a couple of buddies and things, every single month for the last, 2 or 3 months here, so 12 weeks or so, every day I say out loud, I'm getting closer and closer with some of my old friends, new friends that I have around the world, and family. Okay. So what I mean by that, why I desired that, was I wanted to be closer to the relationships I have. I wanted my relationships to grow better, stronger, better than ever before. Okay. In the last 2 months, I've seen probably every person in my world, and they've all come to me almost. All of them. And the way we talk to each other and every relationship that I have is miraculously empowered compared to some of the conversations I used to have. Okay. But I took the time to say this out loud every single day, over and over and over, feeling and visualizing as if all these people were coming to visit me, doing great things, and we're on a beautiful wavelength. So I hope you see these things happening in your life. It happens every time. When you don't want to get on a call with somebody, you have a self-inner talk, you're almost arguing internally, and almost every time it actually doesn't happen. And you're like, whoa, that's kind of a relief. Or maybe you didn't want to go to an appointment, and day after day, you're kind of battling internally, like, man, I don't want to do this. And you almost talking to the person that you don't want to do this, almost visualizing and feeling expectedly that they're actually going to tell you and reach out to you they can't do it anymore. And you get to the day of the appointment, and that person actually tells you, sorry, I can't do it anymore. You're like, what a relief. That's crazy that happened. Is it crazy, or is it just happening within? So same thing goes with your money, your business, whatever it is. Your inner conversation is what's manifesting constantly in your life.